Do you want to make your photos unique and interesting? Editing photos is never easy. It requires skills and a lot of time to achieve the perfect picture. Don't worry, with the development of AI technology, photo editing has become easier and faster than ever before. Imagine turning your images into unique characters with just a few clicks. Indeed, you don't need to know complex techniques to have unique and interesting images. In this video, I will introduce you to the top 5 AI photo editing tools. Let's explore them now. The first tool we are exploring today is Hyperbooth AI. With this tool, you can transform your portraits into countless different characters, each with its unique style. First, you need to create an account on Hyperbooth AI. Once you have successfully registered, you will see the main interface with many styles to choose from. Pick a style that suits you. For example, I will choose the Noble Warrior style to transform into a Noble Warrior. The next step is to upload a portrait photo from your device. Note that the photo must be a front-facing portrait, not tilted or too far away. In the text prompt section, you can describe the style you want, or simply use the available prompts. Then, choose the appropriate aspect ratio and click the Generate button. Now just wait a bit for Hyperbooth AI to edit the photo for you, and here is the result. Truly impressive. You can sign up for an account and experience transforming your portraits into various characters. The second tool on our list is Apob AI, a powerful assistant in creating diverse portraits. You can find it in the description. First, sign up for an account using your email. After completing the registration, you will receive 80 free credits. Apob AI can create exciting travel photos for you with various countries. To start, select Create Portrait Model. You will see two options: upload your photo or use the AI photo generator. If you choose the AI photo generator, click AI Influencer Generator. Next, you need to select gender, male or female. Adjust age, country, and some other options like hairstyle, hair color, etc. Then click Generate, which will cost 12 credits to create an image. After receiving the result, select this photo as a reference image. In the next step, name the model and describe the style you want to create. Then click Create Image Model Now. You need to choose the target setup, followed by the aspect ratio, and finally click Generate. Wait a moment for the system to process, and the result will appear. Now I will try again, this time uploading a photo from my device. And here is the result of my photo editing. Alright, Artflow AI is the third tool on our list today. Similar to the first tool, Artflow AI allows you to transform your portraits into various characters. Like all other tools, the first thing you need to do is register an account. To start, select Actor Builder from the menu on the left side of the screen, then click Create your AI actor. With this tool, you need to upload at least 5 of your photos to train the AI. Choose gender, age, and name for the character. The requirement is that the images must be clear, with a clear face against various backgrounds, angles, and expressions, etc. After uploading the photos, click Start Training. If you use the free version, AI training will take quite a while. Once the training process is complete, our character is ready. Now go to Image Studio to see how your AI character looks in different images. However, these are just random images that the AI creates for your character. If you want to create your own images, just select Create New Image. Here, you can choose the image size. If desired, enable the Director mode to set the position and pose for the character as you wish. In the input box, you can describe the image according to your idea. Next, click Add Face and select your portrait photo. Then choose Add Style and pick the style you want. Finally, click Generate. The final result will be amazing. And you can download the image to your device. Next, we will explore the Flair AI tool. This is a great tool specifically for sellers who want to promote their products. First, you need to register for a free account. After successful registration, select Create New Project and go to the Assets section. Here, you upload your product image. For example, I will upload a photo of this perfume bottle and click Remove to automatically remove the background. Next, describe your product briefly in the request box. For example, you can describe it as a bottle, box, or can. Remember to keep the description brief. Click Continue. Here you can create a prompt as you wish or use some available templates. The system provides many great templates to help you create impressive images. When you choose a template, you will see the corresponding prompt. You can also add other elements in the Elements section. Finally, just click Generate. In a few seconds, your artwork will be created. When you are satisfied with the image, just download it in PNG format and use it as you wish. Now I will make another product. This time I will use the image of a pair of men's sneakers for illustration. I will upload the image of the shoes and follow the same steps. As you can see, the result is quite impressive. Alright, the last tool on our list today is Thenewblack AI. This tool is especially suitable for fashion designers. To start, click the link in the description. It will take you to the tool's website. A very interesting feature of Thenewblack AI is the ability to create clothing designs from fabric pattern images. Let me guide you step by step. First, scroll down and you will see many options. In this video, I will guide you on how to create a fashion design from a fabric pattern. Choose the Create a Fashion Design from a Fabric Pattern option. Next, select Image to Image and upload the fabric pattern image. If you don't have a fabric pattern available, go to ideogram.ai and enter a prompt as I will guide. I will leave the prompt in the description. Click Generate to create an image of the fabric pattern. Then, download that image and continue to upload it to Thenewblack.ai to design the outfit. After uploading the image, select Gender, Age, and Country. For example, I will choose Japan. Then, describe the outfit you want to create and finally click Create with my fabric. It won't take long for you to see the astonishing result. As you can see, here is our Japanese model in a floral summer dress. Now you can download these images and use them for your work needs. Okay everyone, I will end the video here. Share your thoughts in the comments and let me know which tool suits you best from our list of 5 tools today. Thanks for watching.